All right, racers and rods here this morning at beautiful UTC Sarasota Cars and Coffee monthly event. Like usual, 300 or 400 cars coming out here this morning. Some beautiful cars. We've talked to a few people, some incredible cars, shot some video. So stay tuned, check it out. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on what you think of the channel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Belvedere. It's got a 440. It's throttle body injected. We picked it up out of Texas last year. The underneath is no rust, which is great. Did the interior, had the dash redone by a guy who does them professionally, cleans them and restores them. We did with the white instrument cluster and also LED lights.
My 1987 split bumper Camaro. I have a 454 big block, Allison 3-speed overdrive transmission, a 4.9-inch rear end on the back. We got the big toe-down tires. Put this together about 20 years ago. Me and my father, we built it to race, but ended up only running it once, and kind of been a family heirloom ever since.
65 Datsun 320. They imported 5,000 of these back in '65. It was the only one with this body style that had the 4 on the floor. So it was a mid-year thing in '64 and '5. Last time I checked, there was about 100 registered. So I figured about 20 of them are running on the road someplace in the United States. I call it Big Al because my father was about 5 foot tall. His name was Al. He had one when we were kids.
When's the last time you saw two of these sitting side by side?
This is a 1983. That one's a 1981. They were built from 81 to 83. They made about 9,000 total. People estimate about 6,000 of them are left. There's subtle differences between the years. Like the hood is a little bit different. Mine is lowered a little bit. His is on the factory suspension. Other than that, they're pretty similar. Mine's actually an automatic. Some people don't like that, but
sure.
This is a manual. But that being said, they only had about 135 horsepower, so you're not really getting that much performance with the manual.